Hello my dear friends, welcome to our video Get Ready With Me Subscription Boxes Edition. So I decided this time to switch things a little bit. So I decided to combine the months of May and June, okay? And then I'm gonna do like every 2 months this kind of video, so I do have enough products to show to you guys, okay? And at least to see if I have like a really full face worth video. This time I had to add just a little bit of another shade of eyeshadow here on the corner of my eyes, but basically it was just that. All the other products, they really came on my subscription boxes. Another side note is that for the month of June, I signed up for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. For the Glam Plus bag, I think that this is called. And to be fair to you, I didn't like that much, so I canceled. If you hear some noises, those are my kids, okay? So I'm not gonna be talking during my video, so this video goes like really quickly, and then I will come back to talk to you a little bit more about the products. So we are back to talk about the products. The Bad Girl from Benefit. I like it. I really like the Brow Girl pencil. I like it. I don't know which shade. Oh, this is medium brown, so it's just perfect for me. I'm just gonna here a little bit more. Okay. Another thing is that it has a spoolie here. So through the packaging, I thought that this lip gloss was gonna be a little bit darker, but when I put like on my lips, it was too light. So I add this Smashbox liquid lipstick, and then I apply this on top again. So, but I like it. And this lip gloss is not sticky, you know, so I like it. The Tarte Found Concealer. This is a multitasking, so I think that it can use also as a concealer. So for the name, I didn't read anything about this, but by the name Found Concealer, I think that it's a kind of foundation and concealer, you know, and so that means that you're gonna have like more coverage. I like it. The results for me, it's more like a natural look without the heaviness of a full coverage foundation. So I like it. This one, Tetris, that this one, it's the palette that it came on my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I loved all the shades. See, like, and those are, and I try to make like a 80s inspired makeup. Because I am on a vibe of Stranger Things. Yeah, baby. So, but anyway, so I like it, but I was having a trouble with this one here. It's like the pigmentation. It's not that this is a matte shade, and I was not getting that much. So this is why for this look here, I want like something like a little bit darker. So this is why I grabbed my Tartist palette, and I used just one shade, Wincy, this one here. I like it, all the products that I tried. Oh, and these, I almost forgot about this blush. So this blush, the pigmentation, it was awesome, and it has some kind of if you see, like, it has some glow in it. I don't know if you can see, but I was with a different light, and I could see like that the reflection, you know what I mean, like if it was like almost like a highlight mixture with a blush. So I like it. It has some glow, baby. Yeah. And this is it, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you like it, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. This helps me a lot to grow my channel. Don't forget also to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button, okay? And I see you next time. Bye.